Hey guys, so I came out today to see the progress on my way home from our project, and we got some progress coming up. This is probably not what I thought it was. It looks like, I don't know, show building. So that looks interesting. So we'll take a look at the other side in just a minute, but that's definitely progress because there was just rebar last time we were out here. So this is the Mattel Adventure Park construction. But yeah, that looks pretty interesting, guys. Take a look. Hey guys, I came out to the Adventure Park construction and it looks like we have some vertical going on. So just a quick look. Looks like we have some more construction back here. I could see from the highway finally the arch on the top. That was pretty cool, and it looks like they're going deep on the other side. I can't really show you from here, but you can see that they've had some more. They've moved the Connex boxes over here and they've made a little shed right here, but there isn't really any action going on. There's a big hole right behind the coaster, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but yeah, so that's the update. I don't really see a whole lot else. Let me see. You can see some more parts to like a coaster type thing or some stuff. Like there when I came driving down the street, you could see some things, but like maybe didn't match. It was orange, but they could spray paint that, so who knows. But here you guys go. So hopefully you can see. Driving by and thought I would update you guys real quick. So you can see more of the, like, if emergency exit for the top of the coaster, but that's all. Hey guys, so we came back out here and there's a lot going on that I can't really show you. Like there's a shed over there. They moved the Connex boxes over here. But there's some safety equipment going down on the other end that I can't really show you. There's just too much in the way, but that's what I have. Like a quick hotel, like a quick street view so you guys can see what's going on from the street. And there's windows on the Barbie hotel. There's windows on the Barbie hotel. Woo woo. A little bit more for you guys of what's going on. It's going up. I don't think it's gonna be spring, but it's going up.